Fl-età ta' 24 sena diġà beħ kumpanija li fetaħ magħhugh lill-investituri barranin, kumpanija oħra li toffri pjattaforma l-kummerċ elettroniku tikseb aktar minn $3 miljun Amerikan fondi investiment. Fix-xhur li għaddew li mġerada flimkien magħhugh Travis tniżlu fl-lista tar-rivista notevoli Forbes bħala żewġ imprendituri taħt 30 sena li tiħallu impatt ġewwa Miami. Ma' TVM News huwa jirrakkonta kif kollox beda fuq il-bank tal-iskola. Dakinhar l-aħwa kienu ħolqu website li tbigħ żraben sportivi bin-nifs.
I moved to Malta at a fairly young age. I'm originally born in South Africa, but my family are Maltese, and I consider myself Maltese up until this point. We moved here in 2009. I went to school here, grew up here, educated here. And yeah, I've always enjoyed building websites, doing things on the side. I built my first website when I was still in high school. I worked with my brother, actually. He came on and helped me on building that. What we were doing at the time was very different. So we were selling shoes online. Very small operation, nothing serious. We were in love with sneakers and we wanted to sell shoes.
Ftit ta' żmien wara l-aħwa bijaw din il-website lill-investituri barranin u minkejja dan is-suċċess tefgħu ħarsthom fuq il-kummerċ elettroniku u ħolqu l-pjattaforma Krappling, illi kisbet aktar minn $3 miljun Amerikan fondi ta' żvilupp. Huwa jistqar li s-suċċess tagħhom kien u jibqa' msejjes fuq is-sempliċità.
And it's advice that's been echoed by other investors, employees that we brought on, people smarter than us, we brought on the journey to help us. And often the echoing advice is always keeping things simple. And I think at a young age, you often feel that things aren't very simple. And I think as you start growing into the industry of creating a startup, things actually are quite simple. We always just focused on problem solving.
Is-sur ġerada wara l-fehma li Malta għandha l-kwalitajiet neċessarji sabiex toffri ambjent denju lil kumpaniji startups. Però fuq kollox huwa jsemmi l-kuraġġ u l-motivazzjoni li nislu fih l-għalliema bħala fatturi li wasluh sabiex jimraħ fin-negozju.
I remember just being in high school and teachers are always there just motivating you to do things and explore your own abilities and it's very different to I think what we'd expect in, let's say, the United States or even here in Europe. So I think Malta is often pushed aside as not being a platform or a place for youth to grow and go on to bigger things. But I see it as a contrary. I may be biased, but I think Malta is a great place for youth to actually start any journey. Nowadays everything's online. There's no excuse to starting a venture, be it in the US or in Canada or even in Asia, just from here in Malta. A computer is all you need. So why limit yourself? Why say Malta's not the place?
Fl-aħħar net huwa jiċċara li l-kultura tal-kumpaniji startups hija ferm differenti minn dak li nkiteb u jixxandar fuq il-mezzi soċjali. Fil-fatt, is-sur ġerada jemmen li l-motivazzjoni tal-startups qatt m'għandha tkun l-kilba li l-kumpanija tinbih f'ħakkatajn, iżda li toffri soluzzjonijiet b'dedikazzjoni u mħabba.